Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amiko. So in today's video I'm preparing Sierra Leone cassava leaf. I've already blended the cassava leaf. In this black bowl I have my blended cassava leaf, and I also have my parboiled beans, and here I have my onions, and also I have my ogiri, and I also have my onga seasoning cubes, and I have my oil, my vegetable oil for the recipe, and I have my chicken. I've already cleaned it, and also I have my crabs and my cow skin, which is known as kanda in our local language, and also I have my fresh fish, and here is my groundnut and my chopped pepper. So in a pot I'm transferring my crabs and my cow skin. I've already pre-cooked my chicken, and here is the stock, so I'm using the water to cook the remaining things. And now I'm putting the groundnuts and the boiled beans, and also I'm adding the oil and the seasoning cubes. So guys, let me just give you a quick explanation. Here in Sierra Leone we have different ways of cooking cassava leaf. We have the Mende tribe. They cook their cassava leaf by boiling the cassava leaf first before ever they put the remaining ingredients, whilst the Timni people, they put the ingredients first before ever they put the cassava leaf, after everything has boiled together before ever they put the cassava leaf. So I am cooking mine the Timni way, and here I'm putting my ogiri. Then I will leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I will check it back to see how everything has cooked. So this is how it looks like after the 15 minutes. So you have to stir it so that it won't get burnt. So at this moment I'm putting the cassava leaf. And I'm also putting the pepper and the onions, and stir it, then leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, it is now time for me to put the chicken and stir it. And guys, if you notice that your cassava leaf is still green, that means it has not cooked yet. So you need to leave it for about 15 minutes so that it can cook properly. So let's just wait for another 15 minutes and see what our cassava leaf looks like. So at this time the cassava leaf is almost ready, so I'm putting the smoked fish, then stir it and leave it for 5 more minutes, then we can see the final result. Voila, the cassava leaf looks so yummy. At this time, our cassava leaf is ready and the aroma in the kitchen is heavenly. It's heavenly. So guys, please don't forget to try this out. You won't forget it. Just try it out. And now it is time to serve. And here guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please hit that notification button so that you can know whenever I upload a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Enjoy.